Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm riding my bike again. I know I haven't posted made videos in a long time. So, we're going to the nature park and I think it's back this way. Yeah, it is. But we're going this different way now. Because we're taking the back way. You want to hear my horn? I'm going to do it just in case you do. The comments.
Decide what to do. Go all the way to the top.
We're going to the nature park, I guess. Now. We'll say good morning. Good morning. She didn't even answer me. Wow, she didn't even answer me. Wow, that's so rude. Okay, we're going again, guys. I just had to itch my nose. That's why. I'm so sorry, guys. My nose is really itchy lately. I'm super sorry for this, guys.
Straight. Cars behind you. Go straight. Go back.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to contact them. It's a good day today.
If you want, you can go up here and get dressed.
Okay, guys, I'm going to switch lanes. So I might be a little dizzy. Wait. Sorry, guys. I'm scared.
Go around.
I'm scared. I'm so sorry. I had to bounce off. I'm so sorry for this, guys. Guys, I'm so sorry. Whoa. haven't been to nature park in a while.